Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TransUnion credit card alerts and monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize TransUnion credit card alerts and monitoring, start by visiting the TransUnion website. Look for the option to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, create a username and password for your account. Verify your identity by answering the security questions provided. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. Navigate to the section for credit alerts and monitoring services. Select the option to set up credit card alerts. You will be prompted to provide your credit card information. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, and any other necessary details. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions carefully. Agree to the terms to proceed with the authorization. You may also have options to customize your alert settings, such as fraud alerts and spending alerts. Select your preferred settings based on your monitoring needs. Once you've made your selections, confirm your changes. TransUnion will send a verification email or text message to confirm your setup. Follow the link or instructions in the verification message to finalize the authorization. After verification, you will start receiving alerts based on your chosen settings. Regularly log into your TransUnion account to monitor your credit and review alerts. This proactive approach can help you stay informed about your credit activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.